Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane parts and propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in a Yale conversion kit. This covers several different model numbers. We'll show you across the screen on that. This has the Mazda FE engine in it, and we're going to show you two style kits. We carry the KC, which is for kit complete, which is for a truck that's on gasoline and you need everything to convert it over. And then we will show you the KP kit, which is basically for refreshing up an older LP system that was under the hood. So you'll get all that new there to update it, and we'll go ahead and show you what's in that kit. Okay, now up here what we're showing is the KC kit, which is the complete kit, which will come with the brackets to hold your LP bottle, your latches, your locating pin, all your hardware for mounting there. You'll get your high pressure hose, your vacuum hose, your vapor hose, and your water hose. You'll also get your complete regulator assembly with your lock off, all its hardware, the brackets to mount that. You'll get some pipe compound, your fasteners to mount your regulator bracket, all your clamps. You'll get your fuel pump cover plate with your gasket. You'll get your connections to the tank along with your bulkhead that mounts to the counterweight. The most crucial part about the kit is obviously the carburetor. Now this will all come pre-assembled for you with your linkage. It's got your offset adapter for the bottom, your two studs for your air cleaner. That's the most crucial part of the whole kit there, is making sure that this fits up to your linkage. Now as far as the partial cut for just replacing an older system, you will not get the brackets to hold your tank, nor your latches or locating pin. You will not get your bulkhead assembly or your connections to your tank. Basically, you'll get everything under the hood to replace an older system, and that's what comes in that kit. Okay, now that shows you what comes in both kits, the KC and the KP-KC kits. Now again, these are custom built carburetors for these units. So if you're interested in purchasing this kit from us, you can go to pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps out a lot, and have a wonderful day.